Hi friends, welcome back to Hobby Baker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make some crinkle top fudgy American brownies. To make these brownies, we'll take some butter in a bowl and microwave it till it's all melted. To this melted butter, we will add some chocolate chips and again microwave it for about 45 seconds, stirring in between till the chocolate chips are all melted. Look at this chocolate chips and melted butter mixture. Let's keep it aside for a while to cool down. Meanwhile, let's take some eggs, salt and vanilla extract in a bowl using a handheld mixer. Give it a good mix till the mixture is frothy. To this mixture, let's add some sugar. You can use caster sugar or any fine sugar, otherwise you can pulse your granulated sugar in your food processor and add it. Mix it with your handheld mixer till it looks little pale in color. To this egg and sugar mixture, let's add our chocolate chips and butter that we melted before and give it a good mix. I love this marble effect. Every time I mix this, I love it. Give it a good mix. Sift your whole wheat flour or all-purpose flour. I am using whole wheat flour today. And add it to the eggs and butter and chocolate chips mixture. Using your spatula, give it a good mix. Following the cut and fold method, give it a good mix. The mixture tends to become thick and little dense to mix with your hand. Here I've doubled the recipe. I'm making it for a potluck, so I wanted more brownies, so I've doubled the recipe. In the description box below, I'll give the exact measurement to make one batch of brownies. I'm switching to my handheld mixer because it's tough for me to combine so much of batter with my hand. I'm just gonna beat it for a couple of seconds till the mixture is all combined. Look at this, it looks silky and smells so good. I'm taking some chocolate chips and adding half a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. I'm mixing it well so that all the chocolate chips are coated with the flour. This is crucial step so that our chocolate chips won't sink at the bottom. Add it to the batter and give it a good mix till all that dry flour is combined well. At this stage, do not over mix the batter. Look at this, how silky it is. Now let's transfer this into 9x13 pan. Today I'm making 2 of these because I've doubled the recipe, but you can use half the recipe like I've given in the description box. Bake this at 180 degrees for about 25 to 28 minutes till the toothpick inserted at the center comes out clean. Tap your pan to knock off all the air and bake it. Look at this, look at the crinkle top that we've got. This looks beautiful and this is such a hit with all my friends. They love these brownies. I heated these brownies in the microwave, added some chocolate syrup and some vanilla ice cream to serve them. These were yum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos.